everyone, welcome to Princess Fun Place. I have these 5 princesses and I'm going to make their dresses with slime.
Yay!
So, I am going to do Aurora first. And she is going to have her dress kept on. She's going to keep her dress and she's going to have this color slime. It's very, very, very squishy and long. When we stretch it out, it's very long. So we're going to make her dress with this kind of slime. So much fun to play with. So we're going to make a dress for her. We will put her dress off. So first we are going to make a ball for her to stand. Or maybe that's going to be one part of her dress. She has to be in something. Here she is.
Wow,
In the
stunning.
back.
Can you show us the front?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and it's kind of see-through. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Very
So
fashionable.
we're going to lay her down.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to do Snow White, at least my favorite princess, and she's going to have this blue slime for her dress today. Just like last time, got the blue slime. I'm making her dress beautiful. I'm also going to do this because she likes it. Then I'm going to do little like this, and then here she is.
Stunning.
And we're going to
Beautiful
put
dress.
a bit details because then she would be more stunning. So we need her to have some details, like this sparkly detail. This is going to make a great detail. Like we're going to put on a belt, and she is going to the mall. So we're going to put then a white rose on her. And then we're going to put on a see-through rose over here. Here is her belt and her dress.
Beautiful.
And then we are going to do Rapunzel. And we are going to have her to have a purple dress. First we need to take her MagiClip dress off. And it's going to be very tricky with her long hair she has. Because her long hair would make it destroying. And here she is, and then we're going to make a little bit of details for her.
Can you show her to us? Wow.
And then we're going to make a little bit of details on her dress. Always it's beautiful with details. So we're going to make a sparkly blue dress.
So it's kind of like accessories?
Accessories.
Like jewelry and belts.
Yeah. Then we're going to put this color rose on. There we go. It's sparkly too. There.
Wow. Amazing.
We're gonna settle her down. And then we are going to do Anna. And as always, we have to put her MagiClip dress off. And we are going to make her dress this kind of color.
White.
White. Dress is going to be white as snow. We're going to squeeze it out a bit for her dress. Or maybe we have to do this backwards like this. There. Go.
So you are molding the dress around her now?
And here she is. And then we're going to make some details. Like this kind of color belt.
Pink and
Sparkly.
sparkly belt. Wow.
You must peel it off a bit. Wow.
Amazing. Where is she going in this dress?
She's going
Can you show her to us?
She is going for a vacation in this dress.
Where is she going for vacation?
To New York. Last but not least is Princess Ariel, and we're going to pop her right out of her dress. And we're going to do her this kind of dress. So we're going to make her a big ball. So we're going to cut half of it for the ball that she's going to stand in. So we're going to cut it and then roll it. It's a bit different than last time we made the dresses. So let's just make her a big ball anyways. Here she is in her ball, and we are going to make her a beautiful dress. It's much more beautiful because it's more sparkly and it has a beautiful color. Yeah, it's really beautiful. We're going to make some details too. So let's make some details for her because she's going to have a much more beautiful dress with details. So let's make her this color dress. And we're making a belt for her. It's kind of the same color. So let's make her a white belt anyways. White will be better. Will go great. Anyway, she's falling down in her new dress. Gonna stand her up a bit. She's really falling down so much. So let's make her a beautiful rose. And it's going to be this color. Well, for her top too, she's going to have some for her top. Some of this is going to be for her top. There we go. Here she is in her new beautiful dress, and she's so beautiful in it. This is the last princess. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everybody. Bye.